I'm ready to rock the rebel MC.
Say I love you, honey. Please believe